Guangzhou Sludge Special Chemical Company Limited was established in 2004, is a professional manufacturer engaged in the research, development, production, sale, and service of hair care, such as hair oil, shampoo, conditioner, hair mask, hair curly cream, hair treatment, hair perming. We are located in Baiyuan District, Guangzhou City, with convenient transportation access. Dedicated to strict quality control and thoughtful customer service, our experienced staff members are available to discuss your requirements and to ensure full customer satisfaction. In recent years, our company has introduced a series of advanced equipment, including banking, manufacturing, tech, water purifying system, automatic labeling machine, automatic mass filling machine, to automatic sealing machine, etc. We can produce at least 100,000 pieces per day. In addition, with experienced and advanced R&D department and professional laboratory, using the advanced biological technology resources and imported raw materials, we develop thousands of hair care products. Our factory has passed ISO 22716 certification and GMP-C Safety Quality Management of Cosmetics. Our products are exported to clients in 30 countries and regions, such as USA, Europe, Southeast Asia, etc. We have own brands and domestic, and also provide OEM and ODM services. You can talk to our customer service center about your sourcing requirements. Turn your ideas into great products. We are looking forward to get more cooperation.